Hi guys, I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we're co-founders of Carmery Beauty. We wanted to take you along today. We're using our Renewal facial serum. So this is a big favorite of mine. So it has baobab oil and a unique mushroom blend. And it's great for long-lasting hydration and delays signs of aging.
It's also anti-inflammatory, so it helps prevent and fight against blemishes and bacteria in your skin.
So it has a lot of great ingredients, and we want to take you along with us using it today.
So I'll usually apply the facial serum after I've washed my face at night or after a shower at night. And then usually use 3 to 4 drops in your hand, rub it on, and then apply with follow with facial moisturizer.
Yeah, and I'll do the same. I make sure to use any of my lighter weight facial products before the serum, just because it is a little thicker in consistency, but then I'll do just like Alyssa does, and I will follow up with moisturizer of my choice. So let's go ahead. We have freshly cleansed skin. We both only use the serum at night once a day. If you do decide to use it in the morning, if you have drier skin and you need that extra hydration, we highly recommend to follow up with sunscreen. Super important. So we'll squeeze a little. As you can see,
it's just in a dropper.
Yep, makes it super easy to use. So I use about, I would say, a nickel amount in my hand. I like a lot of serum at night so it can do its magic overnight.
I'm very methodical, so I apply an exact amount. I usually use about 4 drops. That was me counting out my drops, if you couldn't tell. So I'll just rub it really well and then apply it to my whole face.
So I don't know about Alyssa, but I'm really into facial massaging. So I will either use a jade roller or my hands. I think they work equally as well. Just depends on preference, or if I'm near my jade roller when I'm putting on my facial serum. But I like to massage it into my skin in an upwards motion, and then I put it on my neck as well in an upwards motion, and then lastly my forehead.
I just kind of put it all over my face.
We may be sisters, but we do things a little bit different.
Bit different.
And I can see, when I use this, I don't know about you, Alyssa, but I can see a huge difference in hydration already.
Definitely.
Especially after I've cleansed my skin and it's feeling a little bit dry, like it needs moisture.
And there's some blemishes on my face, so I'll just rub those parts a little extra, like one on my cheeks, I'll rub that, and then right between my eyebrows and the top right there.
And you can definitely use the serum if you want to just focus on specific problem areas or dry patches on your face. There's no right or wrong way to use it. So if you need a little extra hydration on your cheeks, you can put a little extra there. If your T-zone is already oily, you can use a little bit less there. I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do it. But
just remember to follow with moisturizer and
good to go.
Thank you.
Bye guys.